Hey guys, Brandy here. Welcome to the channel. It is the weeknight and we need dinner fast. So how do you take a slow cooked meal and make it fast? Use an Instapot. Alright, I have turned on my Instapot to the Sauté function. I put in a little infused olive oil, mushroom, and sage. I'm putting in my vegetable. That is my onion, my celery, and my carrots, and now we saute. Now we're going to add in all of our spices, turmeric, some Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper. I'm going to stir that around. I have some smashed fresh garlic that we're adding to our pot. And now we're going to add our water. The last thing that we need to get in here is some chicken. Now we're going to add in our chicken thighs, but skinless, boneless. Now we're just going to put on our lid. We're going to pressure cook on high for 30 minutes, and we're going to make sure it is venting. I'm sorry, not venting, that it's sealed, and start. When this gets done, if you're not at home, it's no big deal to keep it warm. And it'll come down to pressure naturally. If you're at home and you're in trying to get it done very quickly, you can put a towel over this and do the quick release to get all that steam out before you open up your pressure canner or your Instapot. And then all you want to do is take like 2 forks and you go in there and you shred all of your chicken in the pot because there's no skin, there's no bones. And then while it's hot, you can put it onto, depending on your Instapot, mine has it has a soup broth kind of thing. It also has the saute that I can bring it up, but it's usually still so hot that I just put my Kamut noodles in. This is a 12-ounce box. I pour it in and I let them get happy in there for about 12 minutes following the box's directions. And I don't put the lid on and cook, I just let the hot water cook the noodle. And then it's done. And that's how quick it is, how easy it is to make homemade chicken noodle soup on a weeknight. This takes 30 minutes with the chicken thighs. And if you want to soup it up, add in some bone broth. I have my own bone broth that I make. I have a video where I show you how to do that with chicken feet. But if you don't have bone broth, guess what? You can go to your local Aldi's, grocery store, Kroger, Publix, wherever you shop, Costco, and guess what? They sell bone broth. And you can put a box of bone broth if you want more broth in there. My family likes a lot of broth. And I feed 6 people with this meal, and we always have leftovers. Okay guys, I just got back from the basketball game. My chicken was fully cooked. Everything stayed warm. And I just shredded up my chicken with 2 forks. I added in my noodles. And look how delicious. Look at the color. That's from adding that bone broth into that, which also adds more protein. And it's a little bit more filling. So that is what is for dinner. That is how easy it is, and I know it tastes delicious. I'm still waiting on the noodles to finish cooking, and I hope you'll give it a try. If you do, tell me about it in the comments, what you think. And with that, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!